Alright guys, welcome back to Roadlife 24/7. Today we're going to be doing a bit of canoeing, a bit of fishing on Greenwood Lake, the New York side. So we found a little boat ramp right here. It's outside the fire station. Big machinery here, but we're just parked over to the side. I think this is a bit of a secret that we might be giving away, that you can just park here and launch right here. But let's go down here and see what's going on. First off, get your boat, take it out, blow it up. Be mindful of the rocks on the ground, but that's okay.
He's still going.
Okay, that's plenty, I think.
That's it.
There's two sections. That's that done. Then we need to just blow up the seat. This bit we need to use our own lungs for.
Oh, I'll do that, help you with it.
Alright, here we've got the rods. We'll only be taking one today.
Maybe the small one, not the beach caster?
Yeah, not the beach caster. I would love to take... I really like this little guy. And I don't have to cast today, so this one might be perfect. I like this one.
Yeah, I like that one.
And it's really small.
Yeah, I like that one.
And it's easier for doing what we're doing today. So, don't forget your tackle when you go out there. Big mistake. Or your license, either. ID, your permit. Now we're back in New York, I can actually do that here, because years ago I bought my lifetime fishing license for some reason. So pretty handy now.
Looks like we have to just live in New York forever, Dave.
Yeah, it looks like it. Because when we were everywhere else, I didn't have a license, you needed a permit, but here, I'm free to roam, free to fish. So we'll just get a couple of bits of tackle here and we'll get on the water.
What kind of fish is in the water?
I don't even remember. Small bass? Smallmouth bass? So in the Greenwood Lake, they've got some catfish, some perch, some smallmouth bass. So hopefully we can go and catch some of them.
All right, guys, look at us. We are ready to go. Just waiting for Dave over here to get the last of his belongings together, and we will set off.
All right, guys, that's us. We're nearly there. We've just got to connect the little ski at the back.
I've already connected mine.
Yours is connected already.
Lots of algae here, guys. Look at this. Whoa, big fish.
I just saw a fish.
Something just happened. Just.
So there's fish in here. That's good.
Definitely.
That is a good news. That's good news.
Active things happening.
I've got the rods at the ready.
Little boat launch over here, kayak launch, and off we go, guys. All right, guys. I'm just gonna try and get this grossness out of the way. It also maybe smells a little bit, or I'm just...
Yeah, well, let's just get out there. Get the boat in. All aboard.
All right. Whoa, Dave, want to come help me?
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
I'll just push you out with no paddle.
Dave!
Dina, you're going to tip over.
This place isn't great.
Guys, we've had to come back to dock.
I'm so
Dina
sad.
has a puncture already, so we're going to have to come here, put a little patch on it,
There's
and then
so
get
many,
back out there.
There's so many things.
All right, Exhibit A. This was in Dina's vessel, so we had to put a little patch on it, let some air out. We put a patch on there bigger than required, but I feel like that makes it stronger, so that's better. Patience is my middle name. We wait 30 minutes and then we get back out to the water, I guess.
Pretty funny that I was standing on the side of the road with Dave while he was getting his fishing gear going. Oh, maybe you could fish for a little bit. Getting his fishing gear going, and Aunt C just walking back and forth, and you know, it's like the universe wanted to humble me and remind me to slow down. And so now we're back at the dock, and I'm still not out on the water, but that's fine.
Dina was very impatient.
I was very impatient, but I think this is a way that the universe is humbling me. So thank you, universe, for reminding me that I must slow down. All right, guys, we found a little frog. Look at it, it's so blended in with the rest. It doesn't even look like it's a frog, but you can see it.
Well, there's a lanternfly right there. Maybe he's gonna eat him.
Oh, I would love to get that in action.
Oh! Lanternfly, goodbye.
All right, guys, this is try 2. Dave is blew up our repair kit, blew up our boat to get my boat again, and Dave is helping me put it back in.
Without getting a puncture this time.
Yeah, without getting a puncture. But we moved all those things from the dock, so hopefully that's what happened there, and they won't be able to get me while I'm in the water.
Paddling away.
Well, you know, these lakes are nice, I guess.
But let's go back to Washington. We're in the tunnel. We've got a whole gang over here. Got to be vigilant. Alright guys, we've got this argument here. So I like to put these bits at the end so all of the water doesn't come into my boat.
That is so cool!
Right over our heads. That was pretty cool.
I'm really lucky that I didn't get pooped on.
Right, so back to the argument. Dina, you're driving away.
Well, my argument is that these are used in the middle here to help you kind of grip better, right? I tried to do it Dave's way last time, and I still got wet. So I'm just not sure that his theory is accurate. What do you guys think?
I would vote for my theory because I aren't wet and Dina is. So there's your evidence.
But I think you get wet anyways.
I just get wet anyways. Check this little house out that I found. How amazing is that? The smallest house in town. I'm gonna fish.
Oh, okay.
Alright, here we go, guys. We've got our wee fishy. Our wee fishy, he's gonna go catch us dinner tonight.
Well, I hope you're not throwing it near me.
No.
Yeah, guys, we want some dinner, free food. Come on, this is the way we gotta learn how to live, guys. Just make your own. Did you just put it in there?
Yeah, it's gone.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's quite deep here. It's actually really deep here. Wow.
It's still going.
Yeah, it is.
We're not even in the middle.
There we go. We're hit the bottom.
Hit the bottom?
We hit the bottom, so.
Okay.
Let's jack it up. What?
Oh no, a bee. Go away, bee.
It's a wasp.
Ah, wasp. Go away, wasp.
Don't freak out.
Oh my god.
Don't freak out.
Oh my god, Dave.
You can
Oh my
sense
god.
the fear.
Oh.
That's why he's going to you. Relax.
I'm relaxed. Okay, it's gone.
I've got many meals. So I have, today's going to be another meal. Just got to be patient.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely an interesting thing for you to pick, Dave, in general as a hobby, given how impatient you are.
I am very patient.
Are you?
Yes.
I guess when you're doing a job, you are. You're meticulous.
Patience, my middle name. You like to call me Mr. Patience.
Yeah, you and your brother.
Yeah, Cam's really patient. Mr. Patient Senior, we call him.
What a nice day, though, guys. I mean, not
overcast,
really that nice.
but that's good.
All right, so we're back. Dave is still fishing. Nothing there. But
Oh, we're on to big fish.
I wonder what we could be doing wrong.
Millions of things. Look at this legend. It's got a Scotland flag on this boat. Oh boy. These guys are cutting down trees and it's going all over everyone else's garden. Alright, for all you guys out there wanting to do a bit of fishing, well, you need yourself a bungee cord, a wife, another boat, and then she can just tow you along while you fish.
A wife. Glad you have one of those.
But you do have to put up with a wife.
Yeah.
There is a downside here.
Oh no. Oh no.
But you do get towed along, so that's kind of nice.
Poor you.
Just keep on paddling, please. Keep up the paddling. Come on, more speed.
Oh, complain, complain.
And we'll just fish away back here. That's us on the way back in, but we get to see some turtles on the way past. One just hopped on in there. Nice. That's a nice little thing to end the day. Alright guys, that's us back from the venture. Quite the day out there. We had a puncture. No fish as per usual, but we'll brush over that.
Moral of the story is slow down.
The day became beautiful as soon as we're finished, but that's just another thing that's typical. But what I do wish is that we were in the crystal blue waters of Washington and the west coast of America.
It's still pretty out
but
here.
It's still, yeah.
Can you tell who's the positive and who's the negative?
No. I'm positive. I've swam in the Washington water. I wouldn't swim in this water.
Okay, but
anyways, all right guys, but we've had a great time. I hope you guys did too. We'll see you on the next one.
see ya.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. It would be a huge help if you could hit that like and subscribe button down below.